For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a moving business can be a smart and profitable decision, especially with the increasing demand for relocation services across cities and states. With the right strategy and the power of free AI tools, you can minimize startup costs and increase efficiency. AI can help you with everything from planning and branding to marketing and operations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch your moving business effectively by leveraging free AI solutions. Step 1. Define your business model and services. Before diving into operations, you must clearly define your services. Will you offer residential moving, commercial relocation, packing, storage, or long-distance services? Use ChatGPT to explore and define your moving business model. Ask it questions to help you brainstorm and compare service offerings. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Help me define a business model for a low-cost moving company serving local residential customers, with optional packing and storage services. You can also use Google Gemini or Claude to compare multiple service models and evaluate what suits your local market best. These AI tools help generate ideas, test pricing models, and identify gaps in the market. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A business plan gives structure to your idea and makes it easier to secure licenses, partnerships, or funding. Use ChatGPT to help you create a customized business plan. Include an executive summary, market analysis, competitive analysis, operations, marketing, and financial planning. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a moving company in your city, including startup costs, market trends, pricing strategies, and growth plans. You can also use Notion AI or Copy.ai to polish and organize your content into a document format ready to share or present. Step 3. Register your business and handle legal requirements. Next, you need to legalize your business. Choose a business name and register it with your local authority. Apply for an EIN, Employer Identification Number, on the IRS website. Depending on your state, you may need a business license, vehicle registration, liability insurance, and a USDOT number from the FMCSA if you plan on crossing state lines. Use ChatGPT to create a checklist of all legal requirements for your state. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. What are the legal and licensing requirements to start a moving company in your state? Step 4. Create a memorable brand identity. Branding helps you stand out in a crowded market. You need a business name, logo, tagline, and visual identity. Use Loca or Canva's free logo maker to generate logos based on your business name and industry. Canva also allows you to design professional branding kits for your website and social media. Use ChatGPT to create a business name and tagline. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Suggest unique and professional business name and tagline ideas for a local moving company focused on affordable and reliable service. Step 5. Build an online presence. You must be visible online. Start by building a basic website using free tools like Wix, WordPress.com, or Google Sites. Include your services, pricing, contact form, and testimonials. Use ChatGPT to help you write copy for your homepage, about page, and service descriptions. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a homepage introduction for a family-owned moving company offering local and statewide services in your city or region. Set up a Google business profile so people can find you in local search results. This improves your chances of getting calls and showing up in Google Maps. Step 6. Use AI to create a marketing plan. Marketing is essential to get your first customers. AI tools like ChatGPT and HubSpot's free marketing AI can help you develop campaigns, plan social media, and design flyers. Create a marketing plan that includes local SEO, Facebook Marketplace posts, community outreach, and Google Ads, if budget allows. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a marketing plan for a new moving company with a $500 monthly budget. Focus on free or low-cost local strategies and digital marketing ideas. Use Canva to design free social media posts and flyers. Use ChatGPT to write ad copy and captions tailored to your target audience. Step 7. Price your services with AI support. Setting the right price is key. Research local competitors and average rates in your area. Use ChatGPT to simulate competitive pricing strategies. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. What are competitive hourly rates and flat fee pricing strategies for a small moving company in your city? You can also use free spreadsheet template from Google Sheets and ask ChatGPT to help you calculate cost breakdowns and profit margins based on gas, labor, truck rental, and time per job. Step 8. Find or lease equipment. You'll need at least one truck to start, along with dollies, moving blankets, straps, and boxes. Consider leasing or renting a moving truck through companies like Penske or U-Haul until you can buy your own. Use AI to help you track the pros and cons of lease versus buy. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Compare the pros and cons of buying a used box truck versus leasing one for a small startup moving business. You can also use Notion AI or Trello with ChatGPT to create equipment checklists and task management boards. Step 9. Hire and train workers if needed. If you plan to grow quickly, you'll need help. Use AI to write job descriptions and create onboarding guides. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a job post for hiring part-time movers with customer service experience and a valid driver's license. You can also use AI tools to generate training scripts or customer service guidelines. Step 10. Start getting reviews and growing. Once you start working with customers, always ask for reviews. Encourage them to leave feedback on Google and Yelp. Use AI to help draft polite review requests. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a short message I can send to customers after a move asking them to leave a 5-star review on Google if they were satisfied. Use AI to summarize your reviews and pull out positive testimonials to use in future marketing materials. Over time, leverage AI to evaluate what's working best and where to improve. Tools like Google Analytics and AI-powered dashboards from Zoho or HubSpot can provide insight. Conclusion. Starting a moving business no longer requires huge upfront investments or large teams. With free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Notion AI, and website builders, you can build a lean, efficient company from scratch. From business planning and branding to marketing and customer service, AI can accelerate your progress and minimize costs. Success in this industry comes down to trust, reliability, and community reputation. AI simply helps you get there faster and smarter. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.